Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can switch seasons for whatever Netflix show that you are watching, and I'll show you how to do this both on a streaming device as well as the desktop version of Netflix over at Netflix.com. So starting off with a streaming device, this is my Roku player, and go down to the show that you want to change seasons for. Let's say Better Call Saul. You click Select or OK on that particular series, and then just go down and click where it says More Episodes. And then go over to the left-hand side, and then you can change it to the different seasons. Let's say you want to go back to Season 1, click OK on Season 1, and then you can pick which episode in that season that you'd like to watch. So now I'm going to go over and show you how to do this on Netflix.com. It's a little bit different over on the desktop version of Netflix. Alright guys, so now I'm over on the desktop version at Netflix.com. To change the seasons, you just hover over the show that you want to change seasons for, and then click this little down arrow right here. And that will give us some more options. Go down and click where it says episodes. And then you can see the little seasons option right here. Click the little drop down arrow right there, and then you can click exactly which season you want. Let's say season 1, and then you can click whichever episode that you'd like to watch in that particular season. So that's how you go about doing this, changing the seasons of the episodes that you're watching in Netflix, whether you're using a streaming device or over at Netflix.com. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.